What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe and this is Tree Ponder SC Fishing. Today we're back out in Bulls Bay looking for trout because I have a great idea that I want to try. I want to try making spotted sea trout ceviche, and I'm bringing you guys along for that mission. If you guys don't know what ceviche is, I'm going to explain it all later in the video. Watch us find some trout and bring home a keeper so we can have a nice fresh batch of ceviche.
I got some. Oh, you went in. That happens. Alright, cool. So what we've learned, guys, is to let the current work for you. So now I'm just using the trolling motor to kind of keep us in a straight angle. That's shrimp right there. Big ones? No, oh, peewee.
Still caught one, 2, 3.
No. Here, just pull up on that ring. Nah. Oh, maybe. Yep, got it. Bluefish. Did you see that? He jumped out of the water. Oh my God, bro. Okay. So, I don't see the hook. Oh shit, I got one on there too. There's my shark bait. Got one on. Another trout. This one might be legal. The 14 inches? Man, they like this Missouri jerkbait.
Super shiny. Let's see.
Pretty.
I'm pretty sure we can keep 14 inches. Oh, he almost got me. Oh, he's 16. Oh wait, no. No, he's not. Yeah, spotted sea trout. He's not 14. He's 13 and a half. Speckled sea trout.
trout. Oh, dude, please. Trouble. On a Yuzuri jerkbait on my new 13 fishing reel. Just a little guy, little trout. That's cool.
Oh. Oh, wait, no, I still got it. Another small trout.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Slinging shit everywhere.
This might be a bigger trout. Yeah, it's a trout. That's a legal trout.
All right, man. That's not like not as big as the last one, but that is definitely a keeper. All right.
Yeah. This is what I want anyway.
Well, how many inches is it?
Oh, he's mad. Over 15. Yeah, over 15. Golly, he's pissed. No, I don't want to toss him back. This is an eater. No, if you felt him, he's meaty. Let him chill for a minute. He's still alive, so I haven't, like, you know what I mean? It's not final word. He's on a stringer.
All right, guys, here we go. This is the time for the catch, clean, and cook. Here are our already roughly filleted fillets of spotted sea trout from the one keeper that we caught. I like to ice that stuff down to lift up any impurities. Of course, always clean your hands and make sure you stay sanitized when you're cooking anything. First thing we're going to start off with is dicing a few tomatoes. Quantity of tomatoes, quantity of any of these ingredients is going to all depend on how much you want to make. The most important thing is that the fish is completely submerged in lemon and lime juice to sanitize and cook it. I use this fancy little machine to dice up all the tomatoes. Next, we're going to dice up an entire cucumber. Careful of those fingertips. Next, green onions. You can use regular onions if you want. I just like green onions a little bit better. They're not as potent. Now I'm going to dice up a couple jalapenos. I use this machine just to kind of separate some of the seeds out. Now cilantro. Make sure you fully dice the cilantro and get some of the thicker stems out of there. Ah, the best part, the beer break. Finish up dicing up all the cilantro. Finely diced, by the way, guys. Now it's time for a good hefty scoop of garlic. Here I'm getting the ribs out of the fillets and cleaning them up and getting all the skin off as well. making sure that these pieces are perfect. Then I'm going to wash off the board, dice them up, and put them in. Now it's time to juice out the limes. I also used up some of this pulp and put it in with the mixture. And you want to make sure that, like I said before, the fish is fully submerged in lemon and lime juice. The acidity is what cooks the fish. That's the most important part. Mix everything up thoroughly. Make sure all your ingredients are perfectly spread out. And here we go. Now we just gotta let it sit for a little while and cook that fish.
Oh. Guys, that's so good. Ceviche. I first got the idea for this recipe watching a YouTuber named Robert Field. They do a lot of fishing down in Panama, getting like rooster fish, but they catch all kinds of stuff down there, and they make ceviche. Just something new that we wanted to try. The fish tastes so tender, and all that lemon and lime acidity just cooks the fish so fresh, so clean. It's a really cool, different way of eating fish. And especially when you don't catch a lot of fish and it's not really enough fish to make, you know, fillets and a whole dinner out of it. Make an appetizer. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.